Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Got a holster to show you. A gentleman reached out to me on Facebook asking me if I would be willing to do a video for their product, and I told him I would. So if I can open it. Alright, so here it is. It looks like there's a spot on, so it looks like it could go either left or right carry. So I'm right-handed, so I'm gonna go, it's got the clip here. Okay, so I got it on, and because I'm right-handed, I'm gonna be hopefully hanging this on my right side, and it has two different sized retention straps for your pistol, whichever size it is. So I'll have to wait till I get home to see which is going to be the one that I will go with. But for now, I'll just stick them on here so I don't lose them. I'll just put one on each side. And it also looks like it has a magazine holder on the back side, so you can carry a spare mag. So you can carry your pistol here and then a spare magazine here, which I like that. I like that they offer that. So I'll have to get home to see. I didn't bring my pistol with me in the woods today, so I will go home and see if my pistol will fit in here. If not, I'll just give it to my buddy, because I know he's got several compact 9mm. So, because that's what I have is 9mm. If this fits, it'll be great, because it'll give me something I can just walk around when I'm out shooting, which I want to do soon. I can just hook this onto my pocket, you know, shoot, and then once I'm done with it, I can drop the mag, safety check it, and then put it away, and just walk around, go check my targets, go get more bullets, whatever I want to do. So yeah, I think that'll be if it fits, this will be money. We'll be trying this out in the woods, because I want to go shooting here soon, so we'll see what happens. So, you know, it's got this little molly pouch too. I wonder if you could put like a single molly pouch on the outside and maybe have an additional magazine. Might be something I could look into. So cool. Oh, and I forgot, it also came with this. If I can open it. I'm not really sure what this is, but I haven't pulled it out yet. Oh, okay, I see. It squeezes over your pistol grip. Probably one of those comfort grips. So I'll see if that fits on there as well. Alrighty, so I shot the other portions out in the woods. So here is my pistol, which I already safety checked. But unfortunately, it doesn't fit in mine. I was really hoping it would, because I was looking for a holster just for convenient carry while I'm out plinking, but it doesn't go. The grip doesn't go all the way through. So I'm going to see if my buddy wants it, because I know he's got a couple of more compact pistols than I do. So I guess I'll just have to roll pistolless for a while, or holsterless. So, well, alright, well, there we go. All the links, there will be a link down in the description where you can get one of these if you want. I don't recall the price being that high. I'll have to, honestly, I'm shooting all this out here. I'm just finishing camping. I'm still out camping, but I'll put all the information, links, weight, and everything in the description, and also I'll probably shoot a little bit at home, make sure everything fits, and then we'll be GG, good to go. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.